welcome back to my channel. This is Simi Bella again and I'm very excited because this is a Christmas DIY. I am not a Christian, I am a Hindu, but I am very excited for Christmas always because many of my friends were Christians in school, in my locality, etc. So we always used to exchange these little cards and I don't get to do that anymore. So I thought, why not do a DIY and share it with you guys, and it would make me happy as well and it would be fun to do. And therefore here I am with a DIY Christmas special, and on account of that I'm wearing a Christmas jumper. If you can see it, I love this jumper. It's one of my favorite, and yeah, these are things that you will be able to do very easily. Also, since we live in India, we don't get many things that people outside or in the Western countries have. Like, it's very difficult to find things, literally. So I went to my stationery shop, which is like a local stationery shop, and the things that I bought from that shop, I know you will get it anywhere. So it will be very easy 5-minute, 2-minute DIY. So what is Christmas if you don't have a Christmas tree at home? I know it's literally impossible to get a big Christmas tree, but just to get on with the fun and have a little bit of festivity at home, I will be making a DIY small Christmas tree. So let's start with the video. The first thing you need is this chart paper. If it is green, that's better. Then you need this garland. I got this for 30 rupees and the other one for 20 rupees from my local stationery shop. Then you will need a scissor and some sellotape or double-sided tape. What I will do is I'll just make the chart paper into a cone shaped one. So I'll just roll it like this. Then I'll tape it with a double-sided tape here and inside as well, so that it stays. I've taped it like this and it sits properly like a cone. If you have to adjust, just cut a little bit of portion from here and there and it should sit like this. The next thing I'll do is just roll the garland around the cone and make it into a Christmas tree. I'll just keep on rolling. I'll tape it at the end and the bottom. So I've just used a double-sided tape and it's easy that way. I have done the other garland as well, and if you have a leftover like this, then you just cut it and make it shorter. So it should look something like this. It is already looking so pretty. This is completely optional, but if you want, then you can make snowflakes using cotton balls. I'm just taking small pieces of cotton and spreading it around the tree. The next step is to create a star. I've got this very pretty glitter paper that you'll get it for 10 to 15 rupees. I'm just drawing a star with my bare hands. Otherwise you can also use a stencil, but I'm just drawing it because I'm lazy. And I'll cut it into a star and fix it on top of my tree. So this is how it looks like finally on top of my tree. It's looking really pretty. I've got this cute pom-pom that I got from Lajpat for 20 rupees. You might get this in your tailor shop as well. So ask your tailor wala. I'll just cut this off to make it as my pom-pom. And with a double-sided tape, I've taped them. Look how cute it is. We are now going to make colorful Christmas banners using the same glitter paper which was left over earlier. I'll just cut them into halves. So I've cut them into strips like this. I've drawn a triangle and I'll be cutting them into the shape of a triangle. So this is how it should look like, proper triangles. To make a banner, I will glue a thread on the back of the glitter paper. I also have a lace and it is more fancy to look at, so I'll use that instead of a long thread. I am gluing the glitter paper with the use of double-sided tape, so it should look something like this. My banner is ready finally and I'll put it on top of my shelf. You can also do this for your friends' birthday parties and all. make scented Christmas candles, you need candles, of course. I got this one from a local store for 20-25 rupees. I've also got these containers which had candles earlier and I've used them, but I've kept the holders, of course. So what I'll do is I'll use them, or else if you don't have these, you can just use glasses. This is a regular juice glass and this one is a vodka or tequila shot glass. Now I'm heating the candle on my gas stove. Just make sure that you take out the wick of the candle. So with the wick, what I will do is I'll readjust according to the height of the glass and fill the glass with the molten candle wax. Just to add a little bit of fragrance, I'm using some lavender oil and some perfume. So I'll add some few drops of lavender oil and some perfumes as well. We'll have to add the wick of the candle now. So you can't add it earlier because it's too liquidy, and you can't add it later on because then it will get solidified. So this is the perfect time to add your wick when it's in between. So this is how it finally looks like. I mean, these are so nice to look at, and the fragrance is amazing. Pom-pom sweaters are the easiest to make. You just need those pom-poms, the leftover ones that I've used. I'm cutting them and then I'll be placing them on my sweater wherever I want them, and then I'll be sewing them properly with a needle and a sew. And yeah, so this is the finished product. You make sure that you have to sew it properly. Look how pretty it looks. I'm so pleased with this one. Done with all my DIYs, and I'm really happy how it turned out to be. I love this pom-pom top that I've created. Oh my god, this is so cute. I really like it, and it's so easy to make. It took me just literally 5 minutes to sew all of these, and look what I've created. Actually, I had seen Zoella, who is one of my favorite YouTuber. She wearing these kind of a pom-pom. Of course, it was in a different color and it was in a different design, but I thought, why not create my own? And yeah, so I got inspired from Zoella, who bought the sweater. She did not DIY it, but I wanted to DIY because of course I can't go to England and buy it from there. So yeah, I really love this sweater, and I'm sure that you can also create it easily. Look, let me light up the candle that I made earlier. So it looks so nice. I am in love with my Christmas tree. I can just, if I can show it to you properly, see how festive it looks and how cute it is. And can you believe it? I made this just for 30, 20, 50, 60, 70 rupees. And if you go to the store and buy it, you'll get a very shoddy Christmas tree, and it will cost you quite a lot. So my Christmas tree is really cute, and I'm loving it. The banner, of course, is like, you can write Merry Christmas on top of them, but I have just left it. The next thing is this. Oh my god, the smell is so nice, because in here I had put a perfume. What was the name of the perfume? Jovan Musk. So I had poured in that perfume, so it literally smells like perfumey right now. And it took me just maybe 7 to 10 minutes to create this one. I own DIY scented candles, and I made it from a local candle. I did not have to shell out so much of money. So I really like this one as well. And yeah, my Christmas decoration is complete, and I am looking festive. My shelf is looking festive. I am really happy, and I hope you like this DIY as well. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.